In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps on Android Samsung. So first, you'll be needing to download the shortcut maker on your app store. So once you're done, just open it. So here's what you need to do. So on your screen, just hold and press and then select widgets. In here, find the shortcut maker. Then select that one. In here, tap on apps. And then I'll be choosing the gallery for shortcuts. But before you create shortcut, just go ahead and tap for shortcut locked. So it means when you open that apps, you'll be needing to enter your fingerprints or your pattern. And then the second important step is to hide your gallery. And to do that, just press on your home page and select settings. In here, just press on hide apps. So once in here, just go find your gallery and click on that and press done. So let's go back to our home page. If we are going to click that gallery shortcuts, as you can see here, you'll be needing to put your fingerprints or your pattern. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.